In today's video, I'm going to be smashing things. Don't know why, don't know what the point of this video is, and I don't care. I just want to crush some things. Hello, I am here at Lake Mugra, and I have got what I like to call the basher stick. This is the stick I use to whack things. So I thought, I've got a stick to bash things, I've got things to bash. The best thing to do is to make a video all about bashing said things. We're just going to be smashing and crunching and, well, it's going to be a jolly good time. And with a view like this in the back, well, you just know you're in for a good time. So without any further ado, let's get to smashing. Yeah, I really am glad I didn't break my phone there. We're embracing all my inner weirdness today. So that's what I'm doing. Actually, the main reason I'm making this video is because I thought the background looked cool and I wanted to film something with that in the background. So this is the best I could come up with. So first up, someone left their thongs here. So obviously the best thing to do, since they're never going to be getting them back, is to bash them. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be smacking them up in the air. That failed miserably, but you get the point. We're going to be giving them the good old shebang. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so that could have gone better. Apparently I'm not very good at whacking things in the air. So let's go whack the water. Let's not do that, it's freezing. I've got this bottle ready for a good old whacking. That did nothing. I've come to the conclusion that it doesn't like being whacked. I can't get it to whack. Perhaps stomping is better. Oh yeah. Or perhaps we just need to have another go at the water. That's what we need, right? Look at this. Beautiful lake here. Ready for the smacking, I suppose. We're gonna smack it. Oh! As the waves came. The wind is so windy here that the water just comes right up here like that. This looks like prime whacking material. Oh yes. Alright, now you can't tell me that wasn't satisfying. Like, come on. That was just prime bashing with my stick. That was satisfying, okay? You've got to admit, you can't deny that. That was satisfying. Yeah, you have to admit it. Admit it in the comments. Say you admit that was satisfying. That's the comment I want to be left on this video. Alright? This video is random and weird. Let's make the comment section just as random and weird, if not weirder. Do your worst. I might regret that. Then so be it. I ran out of things to bash. I had no plan going into this video. Please subscribe. I swear I do better videos than this. This is just one of the odd one outs. I mean, look at that. That's cool, right? That cool backdrop was worth watching me hit things with a stick, right? Right? Why did I make this? Please, I swear, I make better videos than this. I don't even know what this was. This is the definition of me letting the intrusive thoughts win when it comes to video ideas. Oh boy. Can't be littering though.